So you've heard about Google Veo 3, the AI video generator that can turn text into stunning, high-quality videos with audio. But here is the secret. The results you get depend almost entirely on the prompts you write. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to craft powerful prompts for Veo 3, step by step. Whether you want cinematic footage, product ads, or short social videos, this guide will help you unlock the full potential of Veo 3. Think of Veo 3 like a movie director waiting for instructions. If you, Husai, make a video of a dog, you'll get something basic. But if you say, a golden retriever puppy running through a field of sunflowers in slow motion, cinematic lighting, 4K, drone shot, suddenly you're giving Veo 3 the details it needs to create something breathtaking. The clearer your vision, the better your results. Start with what you want to see. Is it a person, an object, or a scene? B. Specific. Instead of a car, write a red sports car driving along a coastal highway at sunset. The subject is the foundation of your prompt. Next, tell Veo 3 what's happening. Videos are about motion. For example, a chef chopping vegetables in a busy kitchen. A skateboarder performing tricks in a skate park. Adding action makes your video dynamic instead of static. Now, decide the style or mood. Do you want cinematic, documentary, animated, or futuristic? For example, cinematic Hollywood style with dramatic lighting. Animated cartoon style. Bright and colorful style gives Veo 3 direction on how to render the visuals. To level up your prompt, describe the camera perspective and quality. Drone shot, aerial view, 4K ultra-realistic, close-up shot, shallow depth of field, high contrast lighting. These details push Veo 3 to generate more professional results. Veo 3 also handles audio. You can guide it with cues like background music, upbeat electronic track, ambient forest sounds with birds chirping. This small addition makes your video more complete. Here's an example of a strong Veo 3 prompt. A cinematic video of a young woman walking through a neon-lit street in Tokyo at night. Rain falling, reflections on the wet pavement, close-up shots mixed with wide drone views, 4K resolution. Dramatic soundtrack with synth music. Notice how it combines subject, action, style, camera, and audio. That's the formula. And that's it. Writing prompts for Veo 3 is all about clarity and detail. Subject, action, style, camera, and audio. The more specific you are, the more cinematic and professional your results will be. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment with a prompt you'd like to try in Veo 3, and I might feature it in a future video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. With the right prompts, Veo 3 can turn your imagination into a movie.